Good morning, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Andrea from Wig Studio One, for sending me this piece to review. She also provides a support group through Facebook. You can search it at Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We'd love to have y'all there. I am so excited to come to y'all with this beautiful, beautiful piece. This is Limelight by Raquel Welch in Deepest Ruby. Look at that color. She's gorgeous. I love the cut. I love the style, the curls. She's a keeper. And her color is described as ruby red with burgundy highlights or lowlights. And I'll take y'all outside at the end so I can show you what she looks like in natural lighting. Let's talk about her cap. She is a full mono top, which means all of this section looks like it's growing out of your scalp. And you can part it any direction. You could also cut bangs in this or a side bang too. It's so versatile. She has a gorgeous lace front, which I'll show y'all in a second. Her ear tabs are so thin, so if you wear glasses, this is good for you. They have little metal stays and they are covered, so they're nice and soft. She has an extended nape with Velcro adjusters, and I love Velcro adjusters. To me, it seems more secure. She's open wefted, and I will talk to y'all. This cap is a different cap construction than this one. And so I'll show you the difference when I take her off. And by the way, the one I'm wearing is Nice Move by Raquel Welch. Let's put her on so I can show y'all what she looks like. Here she is, and I think she is beautiful. If you want special occasion hair or going out hair, yes. Okay guys, let's look at this gorgeous lace front. Now a lot of times reds can be pluggy, but they did really, really well with this. But Raquel Welch always does. I've never been disappointed in their lace fronts. And normally I don't like my wigs parted in the middle, but to me this piece seems, I don't know though, because I parted her to the other side and she looked cute too. So I'll do a video, or I'll do like a little snippet of different parts. Real quick, let's go over measurements. My head from the hairline to the tip of my chin is 8 inches and my neck is 4. My head is 21 inches around. I'm about to do a spin for you and put the measurements here so you can kind of gauge where these curls and gorgeous layers will fall on you. These fibers are heat friendly, and you will be able to change the curl pattern if you like. I will try to prevent using heat on her as long as possible because I really like these curls. Once you use heat on a piece that is curled, you will never get that curl pattern back. So just be sure of that. Another thing, just to warn y'all, she's long. Just long is going to tangle no matter what. But she's long and heat friendly. And a lot of times heat friendly, long fibers, they don't tend to last as long as a shorter heat friendly piece. let me show you the difference in that cap. Okay guys, I just threw this piece on so I can show y'all the two caps together and their differences. Now this is Limelight, and this is the inside of her cap. This one is Nice Move, and this is the inside of her cap. Let me see. Okay. This one has silicone all around, and I can just tell you this one is way larger on my head than this one. So if you have a super small head, this might not be for you. I'm going to keep this piece, and I'm going to cut these wefts, and I'm going to resew it. That's my solution. Normally Raquel Welch caps fit me just really great, but they've always had this other kind of cap. This one is different. So I just want to make y'all aware of that. When I do a review, I'm just trying to show you exactly what that wig has. And so it might not be what I want, but it might be what you want. So I just want to show y'all the piece and let you decide if you want that or not. Let's go out and look at this gorgeous beauty in natural lighting. Hi guys, here she is in the sunlight. Okay, let me try to find a spot that I'm not in the sun. Okay, this is as good as I can do. That color. Okay guys, I hope this helped. Like and subscribe.